What's up friends, welcome back to Joe Tutorial, and in today's video I am going to show you how to change alarm sounds on your Samsung Galaxy smartphone. Now guys, this also works for any other Android phone, so you can follow the steps, it will be the same. So go ahead and open up your clock application here on your phone, and you want to go ahead and set an alarm for whichever time you want. You can simply click the plus icon there in the upper right and you can set your alarm for whichever time you want. Now, during the section where you're filling in the time for the alarm that you want to set, all you have to do is just simply click on alarm sound below. From here, you have some options. You can either use the pre-installed sounds that come on your phone on the ringtone, and you want to click allow if it asks you, and you can choose between the many options here. You also have the options here to play around with the volume of the sound, and you can also use gradual increase volume. You can toggle that on as well. You can also use the read time and alarm name aloud if you so desire. And as I said, you can also use Spotify as well. So you can tap on Spotify and you can go ahead and you can choose from many songs there. You can also use the search to search for a song as well. It's up to you. Within Spotify, you can select the song you wish by simply tapping on it and then click back. And as you can see, that particular song is selected. Now, once you finish, all you have to do, guys, just simply click the back in the back arrow in the uppermost left hand side, and then just go ahead and hit save. And your alarm is now set with that particular sound. Very easy and very simple.